Sobrang sipag mong magtrabaho, pero baon ka pa rin sa utang. Controversial pakinggan, di ba? Pero real talk. Dito sa Canada, ang dami kong kakilalang sobrang sipag na mga Pilipino. Nag-early shift, double shift, at saka overtime pa. Pero bakit parang paycheck to paycheck pa rin? Yung rent, tumataas, groceries, tumataas, interest rates, tumataas. Pero ang sahod, halos parehas pa rin. More than 15 years na ako dito sa Canada at sa mga napansin ko na community natin, sobrang sipag ng mga Pilipino. Working 2 jobs, minsan 3 jobs pa. May day shift, night shift, at saka weekend shift pa. Pero kahit ganon kasipag, marami pa rin ang paycheck to paycheck. At ang mas mahirap, hindi lang financial problem, nagiging stress, nagkakaroon ng anxiety, at saka trauma dahil sa pera. Bills, mortgage, credit cards, cost of living, unhealthy lifestyle. So the real question is this: baka hindi problema ang pagsisipag natin. Baka ang problema ay yung financial knowledge na hindi tinuro sa atin. Kasi aminin natin, hindi tayo tinuruan kung paano mag-pay off ng debt faster, paano mapabilis bayaran ang mortgage, paano makabili ng first home kahit maliit lang na savings na naitabi using the government program, paano legally pababain ang binabayaran mong tax, and how to maximize government benefits legally. And when you don't understand the system, habang buhay kang nagtatrabaho para sa pera, instead of learning how money can really work for you. That's exactly how we guide families on how to break this chain. Our team has been in the financial industry since 2001, helping families understand how money really works, mga strategies na hindi tinuturo sa school, and that is why we are hosting an event here in Edmonton on April this year, where we talk about strategies families use to get ahead, how to manage and eliminate debt, and how some people build a financial service business helping families. Kasi minsan, hindi mo lang kailangan ng bagong trabaho. Kailangan mo lang ng bagong information. So if ikaw yung taong pagod na sa cycle ng work, bills, repeat, maybe it's time for you and your family to understand how money really works. Comment info or message me. I'll send you the details for our event here in Edmonton. Real talk. Sometimes one conversation about money can change your financial future.